Bomb cyclone winter storm pummels Midwest and Northeast. A powerful winter storm, classified as a bomb cyclone, has swept across the northern United States, unleashing a dangerous mix of blizzard conditions, heavy snow, ice, and fierce winds, disrupting travel and raising safety concerns from the Great Plains to the East Coast. What is a bomb cyclone? A bomb cyclone is a storm that undergoes rapid intensification, defined by a sharp drop in atmospheric pressure, at least 24 millibars within 24 hours. This explosive strengthening fuels unusually severe weather, including violent winds, heavy precipitation, and plummeting temperatures. Storm's path and forecast. The storm first brought blizzard conditions to parts of the plains and the Great Lakes region earlier this week, with frigid Arctic air at its core colliding with warmer southern air. This temperature clash ignited a range of hazardous weather phenomena, from snowstorms in the Midwest to thunderstorms farther south. As the system continues its eastward march, metropolitan areas now threatened include Detroit, Pittsburgh, Philadelphia, Washington, D.C., Buffalo, Syracuse, New York City, Boston. The National Weather Service forecasts ice accumulation of up to an inch in interior parts of New England, rainfall totals as high as 2 inches in some areas, and wind gusts reaching 65 to 75 miles per hour as the storm progresses. Lake effect snow and extreme winds. Behind the main storm front, exceptionally cold air moving over the relatively warmer waters of the Great Lakes is expected to trigger lake effect snowfall, with totals potentially exceeding a foot downwind of Lake Erie and Lake Ontario. In some regions, particularly around Buffalo, New York, winds have already reached hurricane-force speeds, with gusts reported near 79 miles per hour, raising the risk of power outages and structural damage. Widespread alerts and warnings. As the storm advances, millions of residents across the eastern half of the country remain under winter weather alerts. These include blizzard warnings in parts of Michigan's Upper Peninsula, ice storm warnings for sections of upstate New York and Vermont, winter storm warnings stretching from the Midwest to Maine, high wind advisories affecting over 100 million people in the eastern U.S. Such extensive warnings reflect the storm's breadth and the potentially life-threatening conditions it can produce. Impacts and preparedness. The storm's effects are being felt across a broad swath of the country. Travel disruptions are widespread, with hazardous roads and dangerous wind gusts challenging drivers. Ice and snow accumulation may lead to power outages and tree damage. As cold air entrenches itself behind the system, temperatures are expected to remain well below average. Forecasters emphasize the importance of staying updated on local weather advisories, limiting travel where possible, and taking precautions against extreme winter conditions.